Welcome to Ivy League Women's Lacrosse, Brown versus Penn.
Go, Penn!
Allie Feely on the whistle. She dodges, she shoots, she scores! Mellis making some room. The flag goes up, but the shot goes in. Adler tries to fight her way in, and she gets the back of the net. Nikki Miles gets it and puts it home. Grant Fire scores. Penn is going to come away with the win on Alumni Weekend.